All right, welcome to the channel. I'm Viper, and today we're going to talk about why I upgraded from the iPhone 15 Pro Max to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Before we get started, just letting you guys know that Father VR and Tech, the name is going to be changing in about a week to Viper VR and Tech. Just a minor little tweak inside the name, but the same content is going to be here. So when you see that name come across, click it. All right, why did I upgrade? And I'm not going to get into a lot of technical details. Not a lot of them, some, but not a lot of them because it's like 2,000, 3,000 videos on the technical aspect of the iPhone 17 Pro. But I'm going to tell you the reason why I upgraded. I'm a techie anyway. This is why. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has this one feature, the selfie camera. One, it went from a 12 megapixel to an 18 megapixel. But besides that, you're able to take selfies without switching it, without turning it sideways. So you know how you guys be all out, we are having fun, and everybody want to take a group picture, but you have to turn it sideways. You know what I'm saying? You be like turning it sideways. You don't have to do that no more. With the iPhone 17 Pro Max, they have a button. All you have to do is click it and it turns the camera landscape mode without changing your position. It just turns it to landscape mode, which is amazing. No more awkwardness with your hands trying to turn it this way, trying to get it the right way. Just keep it like that and boom, you got that perfect picture, which I love to record and take pictures in landscape mode. When I seen that, I was already like, okay, I gotta get that. Two is, you see these three cameras back here? These three cameras. You see these three cameras? On the iPhone 15, the main camera is 48 megapixels. The other two are only 12. It sucks when you try to do a telephoto or ultra wide picture. It switches it to a 12 megapixel camera, and that's just not enough quality. And on the iPhone 17, all three cameras are 48 megapixels, which is great. It's another special feature where they kind of went over it, but it's a great feature. It's called dual capture. Now, I know Android people like, oh, we had that for a long time. And somebody even told me, hey, I could do that on TikTok. I want it straight out of my camera. So when I'm doing a recording, say you're doing a birthday party or you at your child's game or you just doing something and you want your reaction and the person reaction at the same time, all you have to do is hit that button and do dual capture. So now you're capturing your emotions and their reaction at the same time. And my iPhone 15 did not do that. I was like, all right, when I get something that has three features that I really like, then it's time for me to do it. And on top of that, it got better battery life. You know how it is. As it goes, your battery starts draining more and more, faster and faster. I don't know if that's like some kind of thing. I've been rocking with this phone all day. It still has 81% battery life. That's crazy because right now, I would have had to charge my phone a long time ago. That's why I upgraded. One, for the landscaping, portrait mode, when you're doing a selfie, fire. Dual capture, when you're doing recording, clutch. The bigger battery and the more pixels on the camera when you're taking pictures. I'm gonna throw a little bonus here. It's brighter outside than my 15. My 15 had 2,000 nits. This one has 3,000 nits. I live in sunny Florida, so when I'm outside, I want to be able to see everything without turning my brightness way up. I had my brightness kind of low, halfway. I was still able to see everything on my screen. All the text was super clear. It was great. That's just a bonus. If you got a 14, definitely upgrade. Anything 14 or less, I would definitely upgrade. The 15 is a good phone. For me, those was enough features for me to upgrade my phone. And they was giving me like $1,100 for it. So all I had to do was pay $100 and that's it. So to upgrade, it only cost me $100. If you like this kind of content, please hit that like button. The algorithm loves it and it helps the channel grow. I'm trying to grow as a channel. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. All right? Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.